Alright guys, just want to show you something. Our good friend, YouTuber, his house got on fire. It happened so quick. I'm at this job site, the electricians were here trying to locate wires and whatnot. We turn on the breaker and this caught on fire. These are gas lanterns. It's a good thing I was on site. I located the gas valve quickly. But something caught on fire. No idea what. And if it would have kept on going, nobody was here. That gas line's right there. Who knows the damage would have done. So it happened so quick. This is where the gas valves were. And behind. The first spot I looked, when it was up in smoke. Gas is coming in and it's branching off to each lantern. This is going this way, and this one's going to the one in here, and this one is going somewhere else. Let's check this out, guys. Look at all this dry tinder here. Then behind me is a little house, washroom, tennis courts and everything. This would have gone in smoke in no time. You got the neighbor here. Crazy. Just crazy. Then I got my pipe wrenches here. Once you get all these branches off, take this out. Thanks, Fernando.
Make it double espresso.
Nice. Perfect. Thank you.
Abiba,
Yeah, yeah.
to bring some water.
Yep. Still got this one. Sometimes I crack them the other way, but let's turn it. We're probably going to end up servicing all these after they get their stuff in order. They probably haven't been on in a while, and I'm assuming they're electric ignition. They have a module and everything, and it tried starting and something was arcing. Okay guys, just capped them off. Cap there, cap here. I just used the existing old one. Valve by code. Up here is you gotta cap off and valve. Tape these up because in the future, I think we're gonna be doing it. I'm gonna take a look at the gas mantle because I'm gonna have to take it off. Yeah, it's electric. It's electric start. Wow. Scary, man. Transformer. Gas right here. So I'm probably gonna take this off and change it.